up, everybody? Sassy Gon' Eat back with another episode. Today I'm going to show you what I fed my kids today and how to repurpose leftovers. So basically I fed my kids some greens, cornbread, and some leftover chicken. So I'm going to show you how I did that. We're using canned greens because, as you know, it's quarantine and there's not a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables available at the store. So I use canned because it has a longer shelf life that you will be able to keep the food and store it for a long time, that we'll be able to cook it. So that's why I'm using canned greens. So basically you start off with a base. Each and every time you want to start off with a base. I'm doing some onions. Next, you're going to see me take some cut up of Varon sausage and put it in with my onions. And what I'm going to do is let the onions sweat down and the Varon cook a little bit before we add our greens. Now, I want to interrupt this video to let you know if you would like to see more videos on how to repurpose leftovers or quick meals to feed your kids that your kids will enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Now, let's get back to sweating these onions. Now, after you got it down to where you want it, put your canned vegetables in there. And what I'm using today is 1 can of collards and 4 cans of spinach. That's what I had left. So that's what I'm using today. So you want to put that inside with your sausage and your onions, and you want to mix it up. Once you've given it a good stir, you want to start to add your seasoning, whichever seasoning that you would like to add, whatever suits your taste. I'm just showing you what I'm using. I'm using a little Tony Chachere's, some garlic pepper seasoning, some garlic powder, a little salt, and pretty much it. And you want to stir it up and let it cook down, but make sure that you're tasting it throughout to make sure that it is seasoned to your liking. Like I said, you want to make sure that your food is seasoned because you want your kids to eat it. And we all know that vegetables are great, and this is a great source of vitamin C for your kids in greens, as well as some other vitamins. So you want to make sure that they're getting their daily serving of greens per day. You can pair this with any type of meat you want. I had some leftover chicken from a few days ago, which you're going to see later on in the video. I'm just going to stick it in the oven for maybe about 10 minutes on 350 just to warm it up. There's no need to waste that food. In quarantine, we need to save as much money as we can. Okay, this is how you want to look once it is cooked down. And like I said, make sure you taste it because it's to your desired seasoning. And that's pretty much it. I took my chicken, I placed it in the oven for a few minutes, and this is how the kids' plate look. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Sassy out.